What's up, YouTube? Right now, me and my dad are going to an air show.
Check his butt.
Yeah. So yeah, see you guys there. Airplane.
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 That's so cool, Jake. Those are A10 Warhawks. Those are technicals.
Throw it pulling out my iPad.
There's
Oh,
another
here
one.
comes
Another one. A10
Nope.
Warhawk. A10. You want me to get it?
I got it. Might go right above us. Yup. Look at all the smoke from planes taking off. It must be a big plane or something. That's a lot of smoke.
I was like, okay. Sure. You work at Central Watch? Yeah. Okay. It's called a striker. You like that, Jake?
Uh-huh.
Osprey, I think, the one over there that's got the propellers that are like a. Oh, that is great.
Uh-huh. The wings are huge, guys.
Can we take a picture with this one? Wait like this. Hi. Boom.
It's like, hi, boom.
And really around the world, you can't help but become a part of your, they become a part of your family. Maybe the last names are different, but truly, it is a family experience. So, just what an experience to be able to be here, be part of this.
like this, so it can pick straight up. But then they slowly turn like this, and it'll fly straight. So it can come up like it flies like a helicopter and like a plane. Did you know that? Did you?
Will someone even fit over here? I don't see how you would fit.
We call that a tail gunner. Yeah, you'd have to be a really small person to go to fit in the ass of this. That is so cool.
It's also here.
Look at that's how you'd have to sit. Look at that. That's how you sit in the ball turret.
That sucks. Imagine sitting.
That would suck. I bet you it would be really hard. I bet you your back would get sore after a while.
He's all like yeet.
Stall. Look at that. He's in a stall. Look at that, Jake.
I don't know if my camera got it.
That's awesome. It's a lot of G's. God, it's gonna roll. Banking. Back over. Corkscrew. Nice. Look at that. That's awesome.
To the right.
There's one to the right. The other group is up above the clouds.
Oh, they're just flying around?
Yeah, they're able to
right?
drop in and out of the clouds. It's kind of cool. There you go, right there. You want to lose these chairs and go walk up closer to the edge of the flight, or no? Are you okay? We're here.
Should we at least have some chairs?
You want to
Unless
leave
you
the
want
chairs,
to
or you want to go
stay
you
on
want
the
to stand
chairs.
somewhere?
Bottom up
straight at us.
Approaching from directly in front. Your 2017 Thunderbirds and the inspirational Delta Burst.
Did you get that, Jake?
I might feel this in my chest. They said close formation.
Huh?
They said close formation.
Mm-hmm. And then they bursted.
That wasn't that close.
It's pretty close.
What the
Look at that. That's
The guy upside down must be like, okay.
The audience made a dream big. Pursue integrity, to serve their communities and families, and surround themselves with excellence. And now inbound from the right, the Thunderbirds dedicate this final pass to all the airmen that have gone
Final one.
before us and have paved the way for a brilliant future.
That's what the gas tank is. Jake? Imagine that's where you put your gas.
That's weird. Oh, Dad, look how far out that stick is.
Yep.
Oh, those look like comfortable seats.
They're actually not all that comfortable.
Oh, really?
Those are a lot like the seats in the Humvee that I drove.
Wow.
Same kind.
Oh.
Canvas.
Dad, with the wind, it looks like it's lifting off if you look down.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to feel this? Yeah, let's open it.
There's 4 on this side, I think 4 on the other side. So
I wish we could go in it and like have a ride.
can you imagine taking this on a ride and getting dropped off on the top of the hill? You're down in the middle of a field.
The United States Army.